Splatoon 2's hero mode kinda sucks, and the third game is only a month away. So today, we're gonna make the Splatoon 2 Octo Valley adventure feel fresh for the last time before the third game releases. We will accomplish this by adding new, custom levels to the Splatoon 2 single player experience. This is the Rainbow Canyon mod. Also, I set a goal for 200 subscribers before the end of the year, so if you like this video, subscribe. It will come greatly appreciated. Enjoy. Oh, everything's rainbow, dude. First step, turn off motion controls. Okay, yeah, something's definitely different. Oh my goodness, dude. Oh man, dude. This is like a remix of the first game and the second game's music. It's so cool. Oh, what the? Pause. Yeah, so this mod brings in a lot of oddly placed enemies, specifically these snipers that will later come on to haunt me in my dreams. Alright, unpause. Okay, so yeah, right off the bat, we're already in some dangerous territory. Oh, what? What? This is not okay. How am I still alive? And did that Octo walk off the edge? Now we're back at this part. And why is there an Octo sniper too? Like, that is kind of annoying. Oh man, oh man. Oh! Okay, I'm just the parkour master.
What does it mean when it says launch the train?
Uh-oh. 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 Oh my gosh!
Number 15.
If that's the first level, just imagine what the second one's like. Oh, nice. They start shooting me the moment I spawn in. 21?! Okay, for context, there's usually only 8. This map is so hard to navigate. It's a launch pad. Where will this take me? Oh! Okay! And done. What's up with my shoes? Oh, yeah. Immediately get targeted. Wait a minute. This is a salmon run map. Okay, can we just appreciate this music? Like, this music is just something else. Do I just jump? Don't! Oh wait, what? Oh wait, what? Oh! That was clutch right there. And we got the Zapfish, alright. Oh! 7 minutes. I wonder if the boss has like a redo or something. Still, like, this, oh, is it a different boss? I'm wondering, like, right now, like, is it going to be a new boss? Oh, no, that's definitely the oven. Oh, no. What is this music? What is this music? What on earth? This honestly feels like a fever dream. Like, the music, the place where I'm fighting a boss, I mean, my character, like, everything's going crazy. And it's floating now! Yeah! My favorite part about the Octo Oven boss is that it's floating. You guys remember that part? There we go. And that is World 1 down right there. Oh! Yeah, I can already tell. Oh, man. Oh, yeah, they definitely made a second world. Okay. Last one first? I don't know. Hold up. Yes, hold up. Now, the observer and viewer, just people who used to play Splatoon 1, would know that this is Urchin Underpass, one of the maps in the original game. The mod developers somehow managed to port the old maps over to the new game. Now, that is amazing. You know what else is amazing?
My Discord server, which just so happens to be in the description. Go join it now, it's awesome.
Alright, enjoy the video. I recognize this place. Oh! Yep, and there's an Octoling right off the bat. There's so many Octolings. There's so many! There's so many! 1 second, I'm gonna shut off a couple of things. There we go. I had Chrome open the whole time. Let's hope that didn't mess up any of the frames. Eight minutes. Nice. Well, on to the next one. Onward! Why does this not look fun? How am I supposed to do this? How? Genuinely. I think this level might be partially impossible. Yeah, Sheldon, I think your weapon request made this level impossible, dude. It turns out I was correct, and at the time there was no solution to fixing this issue except for one thing. Hacking. As you might already know, I modded or hacked my Switch, and as a solution, I decided to install... What do you mean I'm using hacks? I just have a good gaming chair. I don't know what you're talking about. I just have a good gaming chair. You're just mad that my gaming chair is so good and yours is just sad. See, like, I'm just really good at swimming in ink. I just have a good gaming chair, what can I say? A minute and 19 seconds. Alright, so it's been a day. I had to do some stuff. This is me from tomorrow. I'm sorry if my microphone is like louder now or something, or like you can't hear the music as well anymore. It's mainly because yesterday, like, it was drowning out the audio, and I just thought that it sounds better like this. Oh, nice. Lilies will help. Yeah, nice. Yes! Oh, no. And I can't ink right here. Don't start shooting. Don't start shooting! Don't. No. That did... Oh. Alright. Yes! Ha! Doesn't matter if you kill me now.
Hello there.
Oh! Yes, it does! Yes, it does! Wow, one of them can still get me. Oh, that's not what I meant to do. What if I do this? That's not a good idea. I prefer the quicker option. The quicker Swiffer upper. It's the quicker picker upper. Oh, that weapon took 10 years to make. Oh, hold up. Yeah, hold up again. Just want to say real quick, this level took around 2 hours to beat, and I can't really fit 2 hours of footage into around 30 to 50 seconds, since it really wouldn't make sense, so I'm just gonna skip this level. Let's just go over and defeat the boss already. Oh! Blackbelly Skate Park! Dude, fighting the Octo Samurai on this map, dude. Wah! 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 Alright, this won't be that hard. Seriously, dude, what is this music? Honestly, I think it's the same as the Octo, the toaster oven. Bass boosted all the way. That is a very flattering camera angle right there. Okay. Beautiful. Adios, dude. Finally. Oh my goodness, this took too long. Oh, a new record. Nice.